Good morning, year 10. Today we're solving equations including brackets. We've been forming and solving equations, but now we'll do those with brackets. So here's a question: 5 bracket x plus 4 equals 35. So the first thing we need to do is expand the bracket. Remember how to expand the bracket? So we'll do 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 4 is 20, and then we just put the equals 35. So we have got 5x plus 20 equals 35. So now we solve for x by doing the inverse. So take away 20 from both sides, you end up with 5x. 20 take away 20 is 0, and 35 take away 20 is 15. Now we divide by 5. Divide by 5, and you have 5x divided by 5 leaves you with x, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, if we substitute for x in the equation we have originally, we can see if that's correct. So if we had put 3 into the bracket, then I'll do 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So x is 3. That's correct. So here's another example. Why don't you pause the video and have a go? All right, welcome back. So again, expand the bracket first. 6 times a is 6a, and then 6 times 2 is 12, and that equals 42. Yeah? Now solve for a. Take away 12 from both sides. Take away 12. You end up with 6a. 12 take away 12 is 0, equals 42 take away 12 leaves us with 30. Now divide by 6. Divide by 6 so that we can solve a. 6a divided by 6 is a, equals 30 divided by 6 is 5. So a is 5. Okay. And hold on, I think there might be a mistake here actually, because when we substitute for a is 5 here, let's see. Yep, that's correct actually. 5 add 2 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. That's correct. I just had the moment there. All right, next one. Again, pause the video and have a go. Okay, so expand the bracket. 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times 4 is 28. 28 equals 63. Now take away 28. As always, take away 28. We'll end up with 7x on this side equals, now let's do this in the corner there, 63 take away 28, 3 take away 8 we can't do, take 1 from 6 and then put that there. 13 take away 8, it's 5, and then 5 take away 2 is 3, so we've got 35. So 35. Divide by 7 now. Divide by 7. This leaves us with x. 35 divided by 7 is 5. And again, check to see if that's correct. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Okay, here's another example. Again, expand the bracket. 2 times 2x gives us 4x. And then 2 times minus 3 gives us minus 6 equals 22. This time we add 6 to both sides. Okay, so we've got 4x minus 6 add 6 is 0, equals 22 add 6 is 28. Now divide by 4. Divide by 4, and that gives us x equals 28 divided by 4 is 7. And as always, check that it's correct. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 take away 3 is 11, and 11 times 2 is 22. So x does equal 7. Here's another example. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, welcome back. 2 times 4x is 8x, and 2 times minus 10 is minus 20 equals minus 48. Okay, now we're adding 20 this time. Add 20, so we've got 8x equals, now thinking about the number line, you're starting at minus 48 and you're adding 20, so you're going up the number line 20, and that should take you to minus 28. Should take you to minus 28. Let's just check that. 8, yeah, minus 28. Okay, so we are now dividing by 8. Divide by 8, and you've got x equals minus, let's do 28 divided by 8 using bus stop method. 2 divided by 8 we can't do, so we put the 2 there. 28 divided by 8 is 3, remain the 4, and into 4 we can do, so we put a decimal there, and into 40 is 5. So the answer is minus 3.5. Okay, and that's our answer there. And the next, so now you've got some questions to do, so pause the video and have a go doing them. The answers are on the next slide. Okay, welcome back. I'll just do one of these just so that you see what we do, and then you can go to the next slide to mark your work. So 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times minus 3 is minus 15 equals 35. Okay, now solving, we add 15 to both sides, add 15, and you end up with 10x equals 50. All right, then we divide by 10. So we've got, I'm just going to go down here, 10x equals 50. Now divide by 10, and x equals 5. Okay, the rest of the answers are on the next page. So here's your answers. Check and mark your work. All right, bye.